Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is a super simple spinach and tofu stir fry. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is one block of firm tofu that we cube, and then this is one bag of matchsticks carrots, one small purple onion and 4 garlic, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We're gonna heat this and stir until onion is fragrant and carrot soften. So stir fry this or cook this for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna crack 2 eggs and just kind of scramble the eggs with the other ingredients in it. Add in 1 bag of bean sprout and a couple of handfuls of spinach, and then we're gonna stir fry and season this with vegetable rice and mushroom granules. Vegetable rice, mushroom granules, and a little bit of sesame oil. And not forgetting a pinch of ground white pepper. Stir fry these veggies or dish until spinach soften, and it's ready to be served. When the spinach is softened, we serve it with warm rice, but you can serve it as is. My husband likes to eat this dish as is, while my kids with rice. And there you go. Your tofu and veggie stir fry is ready to be served.